Hey Chris. Call Daniel.
Calling Daniel's mobile. To end this call, make a gesture from left to right.
Hey Chris. Navigate to Alexanderplatz.
Okay. Did you mean Alexanderplatz mit 10,178 Berlin?
Yes.
Okay, I'm looking up routes. Okay, let's go. In 1260 yards, turn right onto Brückenstrasse.
Hey Chris. Cancel navigation.
Navigation is stopped. Well driven.
Hey Chris. Any new WhatsApp messages?
You have 2 new WhatsApps. The first one is from Philly. Shall I read it?
Yes.
The messages. Hey Chris, how's the drive? Do you want to reply?
No.
The next one is from Adriana. Shall I read it? No more WhatsApp messages.
Hey Chris. Take me home.
Do you mean your home address?
Yes.
Okay, please confirm the address.
Alexanderplatz 1.
Okay. Did you mean Alexanderplatz mit 10,178 Berlin?
Yes.
Okay, I'm looking up routes. Okay, let's go. In 1260 yards, turn right onto Brückenstrasse.
Hey Chris. Cancel navigation.
Navigation is stopped. Well driven.
Hey Chris. Send a WhatsApp message to Daniel.
What is the message?
Hey Daniel, how are you?
Okay, sending the WhatsApp. Hey Daniel, how are you?
Hey Chris. Play music. Hey Chris. Play Conrad Clipper. Hey Chris. Stop music.